I heard the rooster crow again. I'm waiting. I'm assuming it's the gray one. He's the king. The black rooster don't crow yet. But whenever I hear the crow, the gray one over here, his body doesn't move at all. But since he saw me, he won't crow now. Give it a minute. Yeah, I trimmed a lot. Bushes and old trees and weeds and threw it into the chickens. They're going to eat the leaves and leave a mess on the rest of them. I'll throw them in the compost or in the garden. Help fertilize the soil. I think I'm going to dump another dozen, maybe 3, 4, 5 dozen worms under the wood chips before winter. Let them do their thing with the wood chips down there. And the soil will be perfect next spring. I'm planning on the indoor garden, and I'm planning on the batteries, working more on the battery system. I got to get Jeff's batteries working soon. Southern Ohio, Solar Homestead. Since he gave me so much equipment, I need to get busy. It's been nice getting caught up on so many different things, mostly on the computer, since I have a network of things global. I'm starting to grow the channel some more now. I'm starting to get more subscribers. It's a beautiful thing. It got really bad when I was down to like 6 subscribers for a month. I was pulling my hair out. So I started getting active on many different things. I started getting more active on the other Facebook. I have a Facebook for the solar that's not my Facebook. So I'm starting to invite friends into that one now. Friends that don't watch YouTube. So we'll see if they get involved with that. That would be nice. He's not going to crow now. So if anybody closer to Battle Creek wants these chickens, I had an offer, but that's south of Toledo. That's a long, long, long ride. I got 2 new tires for the van for that trip, if that's what it's going to come down to be. Carl Boehm has offered to take them and give them back when I get to the countryside. So that's cool. He don't have a lot of videos, but he does have a little farm. He got a homestead. Him and his wife got a homestead, so that's amazing. But if I do slip on down to the, where they go? I might as well show you chickens if I'm going to start babbling. So if I go to the Toledo area, I'll be slipping over to see Yankee again. He's the first one over when he hears the door. I want to hear cock-a-doodle-doo! He's camera shy. He's a beautiful bird. He is absolutely beautiful. What you gonna do? They're gonna be gone soon. I'll be taking down all the fence. We'll see what happens in the near future. Unless I win at the board. I got the board on the 3rd. Probably the day you might be seeing this. We'll see how that works out. I'm crossing my fingers, but I'm betting they're going to tell me no. Then I'm going to tell them a little bit about the grand solar minimum and how the weather patterns are going to change for the rest of your lives. So, as the magnetosphere weakens and all of the other 7 or 8 different spheres start weakening, and you got 2 more blasting, cold-ass, record-breaking winters coming ahead. So I will be getting out of the city to get ready for the future. It's beautiful to watch. It's been cool for like a week now, 2 weeks. So things are happening. I don't know how much time I got left with the garden. So I might be taking some of these plants out and taking them upstairs. I let the indoor garden sit. I got in there yesterday, started cleaning up, getting things ready. I got some grow lights up and running. I still got a few plants in there. I don't know how they survived, but I got pineapple and a few other things going on. So, JW Solar USA on YouTube, he's got some pepper plants that's been going on for like 7 years. So he just takes them in the house and he's got pots. So he brings them back out for the summertime. So some of the good pepper plants that I have, I just might pot them up and put them in the grow room soon. And some of the tomatoes that haven't produced yet because they're still little, they're in the grass, not in the wood chips. So I might dig those up as well. Some that are producing, they didn't get very big, I might bring them in also. But yeah, the corn, I have corn, I have some brown tassels. But they're not very tall. I haven't checked the corn. Chickens got into some of them already. So, because they love corn. They love corn. If I dump a can of corn in there with the chickens, they'll gobble it up in just a few minutes. They get dry corn, whole kernel and crushed corn. They get all kinds of things. I got like $300 worth of feed. It's going to a happy homestead with them soon. Unless the city says I can keep them. But I'll keep you up to date. So what do you think? Should I grab some visqueen and tack it to the garage and then pull it down for a little greenhouse so I can get some more fruit out of the garden? I see an orange tomato. I'm going to go get it now. And you have a nice garden day.